Kurunji Senior Secondary School, CBSE, Namakkal.
Successful result producing school in state every year.
Administered by the Board of Directors with over 35 years of experience in the teaching field.
Special attention on art, craft, music, dance, silambam, yoga, skating and karate.
Focus on Hindi Sabha and Spell Bee Olympiad exams.
Smart class for effective and innovative learning and well-furnished library.
Solitary importance on sports and games in state and national level.
WhatsApp facilities to know activities of students and school inside the campus.
NEET, JEE, IIT coaching experts from Rajasthan and Andhra Pradesh along with our effective teachers.
Admission registration for classes LKG to +2.
Kurunji Educational Institution, Kavetipatti, Namakkal. Admission in progress. CBSE, KG to 12, contact 9025895176. Metric 6 to 12, contact 9344567484. For online admission, log on to www.kurunjischoolnkl.in.
Students, now in this video we are discussing principles of inheritance and variations, third video. So here we know very well Mendel started different types of experiments on the pea plant. So here, but even though he was experimented on the pea plant for 7 years or since 7 years, so his recognitions or his experiments all are in like unrecognized, means no one discovered or no one identified his experiments on the pea plant. But here later few members, means 3 members, they have rediscovered the Mendel's experiments. So later what they have considered now, so they have given or Mendel succeeded in his experiments. So what are the reasons? So what are the reasons for success of his Mendel experiments? Now let us see what are the reasons. Now reasons for Mendel's success. So one by one to be discussed. Listen carefully. So this information actually not given in our NCERT to discuss. So definitely we have to save this point in your minds. Okay, now first one. So Mendel studied inheritance of one gene or two gene or inheritance of one or two characters at a time, unlike his preceders who had considered many characters at a time. Means what is the point meaning, you know? Mendel studied inheritance of one or two characters, means he didn't study all characters at a time. How he was studied? First of all, he has been taken one character or two characters only separately. First of all, he was selected one particular character on or in pea plant, and he was considered that particular character only in his experiments. Likewise, he studied one by one. First of all, one character or two characters together he was studied at a time, but like his before persons, means preceders, so those who are studied before early to him, no. So like them, he didn't study all character at a time. Emma, I hope you understood my point. What is the point now I am going to tell you is, Mendel is there and his preceders are there. Mendel took one or two characters only to his experiments, but his preceders, before persons, know what they have who experimented on different types of plants, no, they have taken all characters at a time. Means the difference is there, no. So that is the main important point of success of Mendel's. Next one, selection of material. Second one, selection of a garden pea plant is suitable for studies. So here the author not given information. So this precedes what they have taken. So what is a material or what is a plant material? So they have been taken, or what is a plant name that they have been used for their experiments. So we don't have any idea, but so what is the point now we are getting into our mind, you know? Mendel, he was taken garden pea, or he was used the plant garden pea to his studies or to his experiments. So here selection of garden pea plant is suitable for studies which have the following advantages. So here when he was taken the pea plant, So to his experiments, so because of the selection of a pea plant, he was benefited with few advantages. So what are those? So pea plant is annual plant. Pea plant is annual plant, means lifespan of this one is 1 year or 1 season. Okay, with a short lifespan of 2 to 3 months. So large number of offsprings can be analyzed with a short period of time. So thereby when we will be considering this particular pea plant as an annual plant, so here we can observe so many number of offsprings analysis, or we can take the analysis of so many number of offsprings within a short period of time. Means here within 2 to 3 months of time, we can study, we can discuss about or we can have the information of more number of offsprings within a short period of time. Annual planted. So there annual plant means very soon the lifespan of that particular plant will be completed. At the time, so more number of offsprings means what are the like daughters or daughter plants or formation takes place from the parental plant, so all those things, our subject point of view, we are considering as offsprings. Now more number of offsprings we can observe within a short period of time. Why? Here within a short period of time means within a 2 or 3 months gap only offsprings are going to be formed, means so within a short period of time more number of offsprings we can study or we can discuss now. Okay, so thereby more amount or more quantity of the information or more quality of the information, so we can be obtained from the pea plant within a short period of time. Next one, it has many contrasting traits. Contrasting traits and opposite. Suppose one character like height is there, means there tall and dwarf. So likewise contrasting traits means opposite traits. So it has many contrasting traits. It has. So next one means which one we have to consider? Garden pea. So that particular garden pea has many contrasting traits, and natural self-pollination is possible in pea plant. So natural means natural self-pollination is possible. Why here the natural like a self-pollination is possible means because of, here we didn't get this point or what, once you see. So natural self-pollination is present in the pea plant. So thereby, so self-pollination is present means here one important point, a hidden point. What is the point we have to discuss now? The flower of this pea plant is bisexual. Okay, bisexual plant. Next one, cross-pollination can be performed. So in artificial conditions also, means here because of the bisexual condition, self-pollination is made easy in a pea plant. Next one, even cross-pollination also is performed, isn't it? So means here cross-pollination also we can done artificially, so by the process of hybridization. Okay, next one, pea plant is easy to cultivate. Here one point here we didn't write, that particular point is pea plant is bisexual plant, means in one flower of a pea plant, so we can observe both the reproductive systems, both male and female. Now pea plant is easy to cultivate. So very easily we can grow up and very easily we can cultivate this particular pea plant. Next one, pea seeds are large. So the size of the pea seeds when compared to the normal one, so seeds are very large and very easily we can study. Next one, in addition to the pea, so Mendel worked on rajama and hawkweed. So here these all points have been studied as normally only, but this point while writing this point in my mind I got one idea. So what are the plants generally Mendel was used to his experiments? Likewise, suppose if they ask means except a pea plant, so what are the plants are experimented by the Mendel? Suppose if they ask means, so we must have the answer in our mind, that is rajama and one more is hawkweed. Okay, rajama and one more is hawkweed plants are used by the Mendel along with pea plant. So thereby totally Mendel used three different plants, pea, rajama and one more is hawkweed to his experiment, but mainly he was focused on pea plant. Why? Because in previous information or previous video information point of view, so Mendel conducted or Mendel experimented on pea plant up to 7 years, means from the up to like since 7 years he was experimented on pea plant. Why? Because here there are different types of advantages are there for the selection of a pea plant. Okay, so first point, so Mendel why he was succeeded in his experiments means, so because of first reason is, what is that? Mendel studied inheritance of one or two characters at a time. Just he didn't study all characters together, just he was selected one character or two characters only at a time. So but the remaining persons means those who have done experiments before of him, no, they were taken all characters at a time. Suppose when they have taken all characters at a time, no, they may not study all characters at a time. Okay, so but that is the main important success of Mendel. So later plant material, the selection of material also, that brought somewhat good information or good advantages to the Mendel. So what are those? First of all, pea plant is animal and bisexual and lifespan is very less, and within a short period of lifespan, no, we can observe more number of offsprings. Next one, many contrasting traits are there. Next one, natural self pollination is done because of the bisexual nature, and here self pollination so takes place. Not only self pollination, even cross pollination also can be done artificially. Cross pollination we can complete or we can done in artificial manner. Artificial manner means when that particular process takes place in the presence of a man, that particular process only we will be considering as artificial, so thereby that particular process, our subject point of view, we are calling as a term known hybridization. Now pea plant is easy to cultivate, so definitely when we will be taking off a pea plant, no, it is easy to cultivate and pea seeds are large. Okay, next one, along with in addition to pea plant, so Mendel worked on rajama and hawkweed. So likewise there are different types of plants used by the Mendel to his experiments. So rajama and hawkweed, my dear students, don't forget, it is a new point to us. Why? Because in class also this particular point we didn't learn, now this particular point we have to learn this. Next one, third important point is Mendel quantitatively analyzed the inheritance of qualitative characters. So Mendel qualitatively analysis or the qualitatively analyze. So what is the inheritance of qualitative? Here quantitative, here qualitative. Okay, quantitative analysis of inheritance of qualitative characters. Okay, qualitative characters. Next one, fourth one is he maintained the statistical records of all the experiments. And here fourth point, so what are the information or what are the points he was discussed, no? So all these points he was maintained statistical data. So entire information he was recorded. Okay, next one, Mendel's work. Mendel's work, so that is Mendel's studied, this important point. Mendel studied 7 characters or 7 pairs of contrasting pairs. Okay, 7 contrasting pairs. So some kind of contrasting pairs only, no. So contrasting pairs only, no, we will be taking as, so we will be taking as a trait. So here 1 minute, what is the point, no? So Mendel studied 7 characters and 7 pairs of contrasting alleles. So here we can write alleles also. So Mendel's work point of view, Mendel studied 7 characters. Mendel studied 7 characters or 7 pairs of contrasting traits. Okay, 7 pairs of contrasting traits. Now, at one point now we have to discuss, no? 7 characters will be under the control of 7 genes. Each gene, if you take there, no, there definitely we can find out 2 alleles. Okay, so these 2 alleles controls the traits. So each trait definitely will be under the control of each allele. So one more time you see one gene is there, 7 genes. Suppose if you take like that, 7 characters are there. No, Mendel studied 7 characters. No, so thereby each character will be under the control of one gene, and each gene definitely consists of 2 contrasting traits known as alleles. In previous videos we learned now. So one pair of allele controls the like 2 traits or 2 traits also contrasting one, opposite one. For example, you forget everything. One easy example I'll explain once you see. One character let us take as a height. Okay, ange tall dwarf. Did you learn this one? Did you learn this once you see? One character if you take as a height, no, there tall and dwarf, how to like opposite characters are there or opposite traits are there, no. So tall we will be denoting as a capital T, and dwarf we will be denoting with small t. Did you remember this one? So likewise here also, suppose 7 characters are there, means for them 7 pairs of contrasting traits will be there. 7 pairs means 14 only, no. 7 pair, 1 pair is equal to 2 now. Okay, so that is the point here. Next one, special point of view. So what is a special point to be noticed? What is a special point means? S. Blix is a scientist name. S. Blix concluded that the genes studied by the Mendel are located on 4 different pairs of chromosomes. Now one more time. Blix concluded, the important point again. What is the point here? Blix concluded that the genes studied by Mendel are located on 4 different pairs of chromosomes. Don't forget, even a textbook, in a textbook also is not there. So try to save this point in your mind. 4 different pairs of chromosomes are there. Now once let us see. So here, what is the main important points are there? So what is the main important points are there, or what are the 4 different pairs of chromosomes? Now let us see. Now these chromosomes are, so what are the chromosomes are there means, first chromosome, 4th one, 5th one, 7th one. One more time, 1st, 4th, 5th and 7th. Here we have taken, according to the Blix concluded that Mendel took 4 different types of chromosomes. Likewise we said no. So that particular point only here we will be taking. Okay, so these are chromosomes, first chromosome, 4th one, 5th one and 7th one. Likewise there are different types of chromosomal pairs are there. Next one, pea plant seed coat. This is important point. One more time. Pea plant seed coat and flower color are regulated by the same gene. One more time. Suppose if you are unable to understand this one, try to by heart, no worry. But this particular point definitely is important. So the pea plant seed coat. So pea plant seed coat and flower color are regulated by the same gene. Seed coat and flower color. Seed coat and flower color both are regulated by same gene. Next one, gene which controls the more than 1 characters. Suppose one particular gene is there, that particular gene controls more than 1 characters. If more than 1 characters means, so such kind of a gene, so what we have to call means pleiotropic gene. So such kind of gene we have to be taken as pleiotropic gene. Next one, did you learn this one? Pleiotropic is nothing but one gene which will control the many characters. That's why one gene when it will control more than 1 character, no. So such kind of genes or such kind of gene we will be taking as a pleo means many traits. Okay, so pleiotropic gene. Next one, Mendel obtained one more time you see ma. Mendel obtained wrinkle seeds. So we have seen no. So when we have done dihybrid cross, we have studied what we have studied. So 9:3:3:1 ratio we have obtained no. So there what is the main important point no? Yellow round, green round, yellow wrinkled and green wrinkled. Likewise we have seen a few characters, isn't it? So there Mendel observed wrinkle seed no. Why here wrinkle seeds are there, or why I have obtained wrinkle seeds means here one important point is there to be discussed. So wrinkle seeds due to the absence of starch branching enzyme. One more time. So because of the absence of a starch branching enzyme, SBE short form of the enzyme. So SBE. So because of this enzyme absence, so Mendel obtained wrinkle seeds. Next one, in a wrinkle seed, no, this particular point also important. In a wrinkle seed, free sugar is more in place of starch. Free sugar is more in place of starch. That particular point also try to say. Up to here, what are the main important points? So according to Blix, so Mendel studied 4 different pairs of chromosomes. So what are the chromosomes means? First chromosome, 4th chromosome, 5th chromosome and 7th chromosome. Next one, pea plant. In a pea plant, no, seed coat as well as a flower color. Okay, seed coat and flower color all are regulated by the same gene. But here one important point we are discussing, that is when one gene controls more than one characters. When one particular gene is there, when that particular gene controls more than one character, no, so such kind of a phenomenon we will be terming as pleiotropic gene. Later Mendel obtained the wrinkle seeds. So because of the absence of or because of the deficiency of this particular enzyme name is starch branching enzyme. Next one, in wrinkle seeds, free sugar is more in place of starch. So in place of starch, no, free sugar content is more. Up to here, very important points we have discussed. Next one, so here also you see there 2 of the genes are present on the first chromosome and 3 are present on the 4th chromosome. So here, so what is information? So there are different types of genes are there, no? 2 genes are present on the first chromosome and 3 are present on the 4th chromosome. Next one, these genes are located far apart on the chromosome except the genes controlling the plant height and pod shape. One more time you see there, these genes are located far, means somewhat distance is there, apart on the chromosome except the genes are controlling plant height and pod shape. Means here what is the point? So when compared to the remaining genes or when compared to the remaining characters, no, so here plant height and pod shape genes are very close to each other. Okay, and these two are present very close to each other, and remaining all characters are located very far. So once you see there, so these genes are located far apart on the chromosome except genes controlling plant height and pod shape. Okay, so next one, so main important technique method, although what is a technical method Mendel was used. Okay, now let us see once. So he developed, Mendel developed a technique. Mendel developed a technique known as emasculation, and one more is bagging for his hybridization experiments in pea plant. So thereby here what are the main important points? Mendel concluded, or he was described a technique. He was used a technique. That particular technique name is emasculation, and one more is bagging. Okay, so here by using of emasculation and bagging, he started to produce seeds by the process of hybridization. So here this particular hybridization is a new process. Next one, flowers of a pea plant are bisexual. So here already in introduction only we have discussed, no. So what are the flowers are there of a pea plant? No, definitely bisexual. So thereby both reproductive systems, means both male and female reproductive systems are present on the same flower, isn't it? So bisexual in condition. In this method are considered as male and female. So flowers definitely will be on present. Now here the emasculation is done. Amma, listen carefully. Ipo enna point na. So Mendel was used on important technical method. No? So there two important processes we are doing. One is emasculation process and one more is bagging process for hybridization experiments. Amma, hybridization experiments are nothing, is nothing but cross pollination. Okay, means cross pollination. Now ipo pea plant bisexual, no. So here actually emasculation means once you see the removal of ipo when a particular flower is bisexual in condition. So here chance is there for the process of self pollination. No. Why? Because rendume present in the same flower. But at the time what we have to do, we have to remove the male reproductive system out. Okay, what we have to do, we have to remove the male reproductive system out when the particular flower is there in bud condition. So thereby once in the second chapter we have learned emasculation is nothing but removal of male reproductive system from the bisexual flower in bud condition. So by using of some kind of laboratory equipment is known as emasculation. So I hope you remember this one. Now in this method one considered as a male and another one is a female. So where in bisexual condition. Next one, emasculation is done to prevent this self pollination. So already we have discussed emasculation process. Definitely we will be doing for preventing of self pollination. Next one, emasculated flowers are covered by bags. So this is called bagging. Ipo emasculation we have done. Emasculation means in bisexual flower condition, no, we are removing the male reproductive system. Ipo on that particular bud, no, how many reproductive systems will be there? One and only will be there, that too female one will be there. So ipo we have removed male reproductive system, no. Sir, ipo female matanda irukku in the flower, but why sir we are covering with the bag, sir? That particular bud means suppose when the female reproductive system is mature, suppose in future like where if pollen grains means unwanted pollination takes place means, so this entire effort will go waste. So thereby bagging process. So why we are covering these emasculated flowers with the polythene bags or butter paper bags means, so because once you see, I think so I have written that point, bagging is only used to prevent you see there undesirable cross pollination. If undesirable means what are the types of pollen grains will come and fall on the stigma or the receptacle of a female reproductive system, we don't know. At the time definitely what we have to do, definitely we have to cover this particular emasculated flower with polythene bag or butter paper bag, then only we can prevent the undesirable or unwanted cross pollination, unwanted pollination. So next one, mature pollen grains. Mature pollen grains are collected from male plants and spread over the emasculated flower. So here clearly not given, I will explain, but once the pollen grains are like matured, once the pollen grains are matured on the female plants, so those pollen grains which are there on the male reproductive system of male flower of another plant, no, that we have to take into our hands and we have to spread over the which one, stigma of emasculated flower. Ippu correct. Why? Because on flower where we will keep, definitely we have to keep wanted pollen grains on the receptacle. Receptacle is nothing but stigma only, no. Stigma of a female reproductive system of emasculated flower. Next one, seeds are formed. So when we will be doing of cross hybridization, so hybridization, no, so definitely seeds are formed in the female flower. Why? Because a female flower only, no, is remaining. Already we have removed male by the process of emasculation. So seeds are formed in the female flower after pollination. Once the pollination is completed, definitely seeds formation takes place. The plants that are obtained from these seeds are known as first filial generation or F1 generation according to Mendel. So means according to the Mendel, what are the offsprings or what are the offsprings or like amma. So what are the offsprings are produced from the parent. So those parent or those offsprings we will be taking as F1 generation or first filial generation. So this particular point also is important. So first filial generation or F1 generation according to that is also Mendel, according to Mendel. Next one, the plants of F1 generation are self-crossed. So here I have written as a self means self pollination. Ipo F1 generation we obtained, for obtaining of F2 generation what we have to do is F1 into F1. Apdena in F1 generation, suppose if you get a capital T small t, that one we have to cross with again capital T small t, means a heterozygous condition. So we have to cross, means when we will be, means in order to obtaining of F2 generation, what we have to do, F1 into F1 we have to do. So when we will be doing of F1 into F1, so definitely we can obtain the result in F2 generation. So thereby here we can prolong. So thereby, so once what is the information or what is the content we have been seen, or what are the characters we have been seen in F1 generation, and what are the characters now we are observing in F2 generation, so we can discuss. So it definitely, so this particular information in the next class definitely I will discuss monohybrid cross. So there, what are the main important points to be discussed in a monohybrid cross, everything, so we will be knowing. So means in this particular term now, what are the main important points? So wrinkly seeds are obtained because of the absence of starch branching enzyme. This is one important point. Next one, seed coat and flower color. This is the point you don't forget. Seed coat and flower color both are regulated by the same gene. So here according to Blixuno, so Mendel used different types of chromosomes to his experiments. So that is first one, fourth one, fifth one, seventh one. Next one, so on the first chromosome now 2 genes are there, on the fourth chromosome 3 genes are there. Next one here definitely one more is what are the genes are located, so here the genes are located very far, but here some kind of exceptional point, except the genes controlling plant height and pod shape. So definitely will be very close to each other. So these points, so don't forget. So sometimes based on these points they are asking a few questions. The plant height gene and the pod shape gene will be there. All these genes are located very close when compared to the other genes. Next one, technical terms point of view, Mendel used he was done hybridization experiments. So by the process of emasculation, and one more is bagging. Emasculation means removal of male reproductive system from the bisexual flower. Bagging, once the emasculation process is completed, if you cover the particular emasculated female flower with any kind of a polythene bag or butter paper bag, that particular information we will be taking under bagging. So once the pollination is completed, definitely we will obtain F1 generation. So this F1 generation we will be calling by one more name, first filial generation. So in order to obtaining of F2 generation, definitely F1 generation we have to self cross, or we have to do the self pollination. Automatically we can obtain F2 generation. So this is a small information. According to our knowledge point of view, this entire information also we can consider as introduction. So actual class in the next video start down. So watch carefully, learn the information. Morely here you concentrate. So the important here a few important points are there. So other than that, remaining information you know very well. Okay, take care and be safe at home.